docked and, well, we just arrived at Half Moon Cay. It's going to be a 10 report. So let's take a look. It's cloudy. We had rain last night. Still, it's cloudy today, so we're hoping it's going to clear off. Going to be another great day. The good thing about this rain and cloudiness is it is a little bit cooler outside. It's not as hot as it has been, and it's a breeze. We're in Half Moon Cay. It's a rainy day. Those blue things are the clam shells that you can get. There's the chapel. Yeah, the water's really pretty. Alright. Got this little thing, the sidewalk to walk on. Is that basketball?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go down here.
Do you have to pay for the seats?
No, the seats are free.
We're all gonna be taking it.
It's just the clam shows you got to pay for.
Always just fill the seashells.
The water is so pretty. Over here by the lobster shack. hope I got that. Are you seeing fish? Is it the big one? Ooh, this... Yeah. All right, to get to the food, follow her to the island barbecue.
It's like a lot of birds.
Playground. Get a massage. Well, here it is. It wasn't far. Little seating area. Drink station. As I said, I think I'm going to get just the fresh fruit and stuff. Let me get some watermelon and dessert. Right, you want to get back on the steps, so I've got some fruit and some. Another bar. And back on the ship. On the tender, leaving the island, get back to the ship. It's 5:15. We've left Half Cay and we are headed to Nassau, Bahamas. Our rainy day ended up being a beautiful sunny day. It's nice and pretty. And the water has been incredible.
Oh, with your eye, I come running to you. That's in the dream.
Well, it's the end of another great day. We will be in Nassau, Bahamas tomorrow for a private tour. We just finished with Quest. It's a nice calm night. We're going slow. There's a ship way off in the distance. It's been a great day. We look forward to another good day tomorrow.